Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's see how to make this super interesting coffee bun recipe. This has a thin layer of coffee crust on top with a delicious and spongy bun inside. So first, let's add some all-purpose flour into a bowl. Add in some sugar, instant yeast, and a pinch of salt. Mix it. Add 1 room temperature egg. Now add in some warm milk and mix it. Now if you are using dry yeast, you need to proof the yeast before you add it into the flour. Now take the dough onto the countertop and start kneading it. Now add some room temperature butter into the dough and mix it well with the dough. Once the butter gets absorbed into the dough, you can see it becomes really soft. But you still need to knead the dough for a couple of minutes. You should knead the dough really well till it becomes really soft, and when you press it, it should bounce back. Now keep it in a bowl and cover it and let it rest for 1 hour till it becomes double in size. Now let's prepare the coffee cream. Take some instant coffee powder, add some warm water and mix it. Add some room temperature butter into a bowl. Mix it using a whisk to make it creamy. Add some powdered sugar and mix it well with the butter. Add the coffee mixture into the butter and mix it. Add 1 room temperature egg into this mix and beat it really well. Now add some all-purpose flour, mix it well and break all the lumps and make this into a smooth batter. Now you have to keep this in the refrigerator till you use it. Now after 1 hour, let's check our dough. Our dough has become double the size. Now scrape down the dough onto your countertop and divide it into equal parts. Now I divided the dough into 8 equal parts, and I also cut out a small portion from the dough. Now take the small portion and divide that again into 8 parts and spread the small dough and place a butter in between, cover it, and take a bigger dough, just flatten it and place this butter in the middle of the dough and cover it again. Make this into a ball shape and keep it aside. Now let's make all the 8 buns in the same manner. Place all the buns on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Cover it and keep it aside. Let it rest for a second proofing for 1 hour. Now after 1 hour, take our coffee cream from the refrigerator and fill it into a piping bag. Now if we don't refrigerate this cream while baking, it will just melt out and it will not form a crust on top of the bun. So refrigerating this cream is a very important step. Our buns are ready after second proofing. Now pipe out the coffee cream on top of the buns. You can pipe the cream and cover half of the bun so that while baking it will melt and cover the entire bun with the coffee cream. Now all the buns are ready for baking. Bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for 18 to 20 minutes. And when you're baking these buns, your entire house will smell coffee. And when these buns are out from the oven, you can serve it hot with some hot coffee. And if you add little more coffee cream on top of the buns, you will get these small foot of coffee cream around the buns. So these coffee buns have a crispy coffee crust outside, and inside you will get a butter-filled, soft and spongy bun. You can also drizzle some chocolate sauce on top of these buns and serve it as a dessert. So do try out this amazing recipe and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.